hot summer day, exercising, and eating spicy food. What do those three things have in common? They make us sweat. I'm Tiffany, and in this experiment, we'll learn why heat causes us to perspire. For this experiment, you will need 2 pieces of small chocolates in their wrappers, a sheet of paper or a ruler, a glass, tape, a hairdryer, room temperature water, a timer, scissors, a paper towel, and a heat-proof surface. I'm using a baking sheet. Please use adult supervision or help when you're using scissors and the hairdryer if necessary. First, cut your paper towel in half. Take 1/2 of the towel and wet it with your room temperature water. It should be wet but not dripping. Use this towel to wrap one of the chocolates. With a dry towel, wrap the other piece of chocolate. You may use a small piece of tape to keep it from unraveling. Place the chocolates side by side on top of a heat-proof surface. Place the glass on the edges of the towel to weigh them down. Make a note of how wet the paper towels feel. Hold your hairdryer about 21 centimeters or 8 inches above the candies, which is about the width of a piece of paper. Turn the hairdryer on high and heat the candies for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn off the hairdryer and observe how your paper towels have changed. Open up the paper towels and candy wrappers to observe what has happened with the chocolate. You'll have noticed that the chocolate wrapped in the dry towel has melted, while the chocolate in the wet towel managed to stay cool and solid. What's happening here is that the water from the wet towel is evaporating as it is being heated. Evaporation is when a substance changes from liquid to gas, and as it does this, the substance's molecules require energy such as heat energy. As the water molecules evaporated, they took with them the heat energy provided by the hairdryer, leaving the chocolate cool. Since the dry towel had nothing which could take the heat energy away, the chocolate absorbed it and melted. In our experiment, the wet paper towel mimics sweat, which actually serves to keep our bodies from overheating. When our bodies produce sweat, it is a liquid which can evaporate into the air. As it is evaporating, it takes the heat energy from our bodies, leaving us cooler. This is a phenomenon known as evaporative cooling. The summer sun and exercise raise our body temperatures, which triggers our sweating mechanisms. When we eat spicy food, our brain thinks that our body temperature is rising, which is why we might start sweating. Evaporation is also affected by humidity, which is the amount of moisture already in the air. The more moisture there is, the slower the rate of evaporation. Fans keep us cool because they constantly blow away the humid air so that sweat can evaporate faster. In summary, we learned that 1. Evaporation is when a substance changes from liquid to gas. 2. As evaporation happens, it requires heat energy and can result in evaporative cooling. And 3. Our bodies sweat in order to prevent us from overheating. Thanks for watching. Try this experiment out at home and make sure to tag Pueblo Science with your results. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok for more fun science content. Lastly, comment down below what you would like us to cover next.